Hey everybody, Tim here, and I am about to move my Mr. Cool mini split from the side of my shop outside on the ground to actually on the wall here. I purchased one of the mounting kits and I'm going to move it because I don't really like what it's doing. It's got like brush and things that are trying to grow up in there. Also, the line set, I couldn't cut it and flare the hoses, so I had to like wrap them around to make them fit back here, and I just don't like that. So I'm gonna actually get it on the wall and like straighten it out so that, you know, I feel like that would be more efficient. So we're going to get this thing unplugged electrically from the wall, and then I will move it very carefully, keeping the AC line still hooked up because I don't want to have to depressurize the system and all that stuff. So we'll get the mounting kit up on the wall in the spot that we want it, but we'll measure where it needs to be and all that stuff. So I've got a nice line right here on my building where there's a beam, so I should be able to drill right into that and anchor it just fine. So let's go look at the mounting kit. So got the box that the mounting kit came in right here. Let's get all this stuff out. There is, that looks like the top track that I believe the two arms are gonna hang on. Yeah, here we go. Pulling all this out. We'll see what exactly we have in here. All right, got some hardware here. What else is down there? Instructions, what are those? All right, so let's pull this out. Get everything out on the ground here. All right, there's that. Let's move the hardware out of the way. Got this guy here. What side's the open side? There we go. Okay. Got that. Here's this. And the last piece here. Sorry for the noise. All right, so yeah, this is what mounts to the wall, this piece right here. And then these are the legs that are gonna come out. And here is the arm that's going to, I guess, maybe that hooks this way. Yep, so that hooks there. This goes like that. And you'll do that with both of them. And then you can adjust this side to side to the width of the AC unit you're gonna do. So we'll get all that measured and then we'll go out there and try to get this thing mounted. I'm going over all the hardware and stuff that came with this, and also the instructions, and like any Chinese thing, it doesn't really say anything. So this thing kind of has a list of what's here, but a lot of the things are so similar that it's hard to tell what's what. I mean, those bolts are pretty close, but then look at these. These bolts are just different. The thread is a little bit longer on one. They're the same height and everything, but then the thread is just a little bit off. See, right there, it's only like 2 or 3 threads. Kind of random. And so I'm not really sure where those go specifically on here. So just gonna have to do some specific like testing, because as you see, there's no numbers or anything. Doesn't say what's what. So yeah, we'll get after it, see what happens. I'm at a spot now where the instructions and the part list just don't mesh well together. So on this parts list has all these things, and I've gone through all of them, but there's these 2 spacers. Those are not listed. There's 2 lock washers. They're not listed, because anything that would have used them, I need more than 2 if I was going to use them. These other pads, these bolts, they could be spares, but that doesn't account for these things because we didn't use these at all. And then these right here, I think they might go on the back when you're trying to mount to something, but I'm not exactly sure. Also, the pictures of the item show this pad up here on top, but then the instructions tell you to mount it right there. So something goes in both of those because that's what holds this to the rail. So I'm trying to figure out what exactly to do up here, because I feel like this pad would be good down here when the downward pressure is put onto the building or whatever you're mounting against, and that will help you kind of adjust it in and out. But then none of the bolts that are left are the right length to go through this. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little finagling, see if I can get it all figured out here. All right, I took my level and this bracket and a marker, and I marked where I want to put the three, yeah, sheeps don't agree with me, where I want to put the 3 holes for the bolts that are going to hold the bracket up. What? Dude, you just ate. Chill out. So yeah, I'm going to get my drill. I'm going to drill through that, and we are going to get this bracket mounted, and then we can get the arms on there and then move this bad boy over. I got some pilot holes drilled, and now I'm going to come back with the actual size that I want to drill through there, just to make it a little easier. So I'm gonna go get a bigger bit and we will get those holes drilled. Now the big holes are drilled. So now we can go get the bracket and put it up here, and then we can put the bolts through and then tighten it on the back side and get this thing hung up on the wall. The top crossbar is mounted into the shop, and I also have these arms on here that are going to hold the bottom of the air conditioner there and there. You can see that one's covered in dirt. There's a bunch of dirt inside there. I can hear my kids on the zip line. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing moved over. We'll get it on top and mount it up. Next thing I need to do though is actually disconnect the electrical. So I'll go turn off the breaker in there, and then I'm gonna undo this wire and this wire right here. Move these over. Don't wanna have any extra excitement on this, but then I'll move this over. Probably get somebody to help me lift it up onto there, and we'll get it secure. So I'm looking at this, and I also looked at the instructions, and I don't agree with their schematic. This spot, this thing right here in the diagram makes it look like it should be here up on top, but using my brain and knowing that I've done things before, it tells me that it should be on this arm, on these 2 arms really. But down here, there's a hole, and that should be where it keeps it from banging and vibrating up against the building or brick wall or whatever you have this mounted on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'll put a bolt back through with the same thread and everything, and I don't think there's anything that needs to be on this, because the width of this is so narrow that it wouldn't touch this anyway, and it's going to be held on these little isolators here to dampen any vibration and everything. So I think doing that will also help this to get to a more like a 90-degree angle instead of it hanging down a little bit. And you can adjust it because it'll screw in and out of that hole. But we're gonna move that real quick. Yeah, I'm not sure what I was thinking before. This is much better. Nice and level here. Got that bolt going through there. I'll tighten that up a little bit, but everything looks good. Well, we are almost ready to mount the air conditioner. I had to use a little brace right here because the pads that sit up against the building, when they're not on one of these pieces that kind of jets out, it was not, the little pad wasn't long enough to go against the building and still maintain the angle that I want to keep it at. So I put this little brace in there with just a piece of scrap metal that I have, anchored it in there, and now it should be able to hold that weight. So time to disconnect the electrical and move it. Unfortunately, I'm not as strong as I used to be, and so I had to bust out the big guns here. I'm gonna hold this unit in the air and then kind of get it over to the bracket. Figure it's easier to lift it that far than it is to lift it that far. So wish me luck. Got that thing parked, brakes on, it's not going anywhere. Well, goodness gracious, that was an ordeal. But I have it up there and it is working. Got it all wired back up. And yeah, I think what I'm gonna do now is take my hose and spray off all the gunk that was down here from being on the ground. There's like dirt back here by the lines and all that. Just try and make this thing run as efficient as it can. But yeah, it's up there, it's working, and I'm happy. So Anyway, if you guys want to tackle this project, you can do it. Don't mind the lines down there. I'm actually going to get those straight across with some more of this plastic like covers and go here. And then I'm gonna have a friend that's an HVAC technician come over, and he's gonna cut it and flare the ends and make it so I don't have any extra length on this, and we're gonna make it nice and snug. All right, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later.